Hey guys, Trev here with Norwood Sawmills. I just want to give you a little tip when opening up your logs on how to make those first few boards usable so you don't end up with stray material. One of the tricks I was shown when I was learning how to cut is to always use my 4/4 scale, no matter what and no matter when, until I get down to that basic size that I want to cut at. So those first few cuts, in particular that first and second 90-degree cut, you always want to use your 4/4 lines. And what that allows is for you to have 1-inch boards so you can go back to and edge them later and have usable material.